Nature often tests humanity with deadly phenomena, some of which are so breathtakingly beautiful that their danger isn't immediately apparent. In this video, you'll witness nature's incredible power and learn how a stroke of luck can sometimes save thousands of lives. I'll also share fascinating natural secrets you may not have known before. May 2016, one of the most destructive tornadoes in Kansas history.
That's good.
Torrential rains caused widespread flooding, leaving behind a trail of destruction. A group of tourists on Mount Tian Shan witnessed a massive avalanche hurtling toward them. Honestly, I'd be running for my life. Thankfully, everyone survived, though it's hard to believe. Did you know clouds can sometimes move like ocean waves? This mesmerizing time-lapse proves it. – 2023, Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupted, creating widespread destruction and displacing hundreds of thousands of people. – 2022, the Hunga Tonga eruption unleashed the most powerful explosion in recorded history, according to scientists. These videos capture the intense wildfire that raged in California, showing civilians and firefighters bravely navigating the inferno from within. A storm in Brazil painted an apocalyptic scene, as if straight out of a movie. A dramatic cloud formation, swept by strong winds, looked like something out of the Avengers. This storm caught the warehouse workers right at work. I can imagine how surprised they were when they opened this door. Most likely, they were late for dinner that day. Not all natural phenomena are deadly. For instance, this ice cave in Iceland's national park is stunningly beautiful. The Drake Passage during a storm tests even the most experienced sailors. Such clouds are harbingers of a storm, which is quite obvious. They are safe and incredibly beautiful. If a tornado appears to be standing still, it's likely moving directly toward you. Unlike serene clouds, this sight is deadly. Take cover instead of filming. A meteorite lit up the sky in the US in 2022. Hopefully, it didn't hit anything or anyone. Residents near Lake Erie in New York faced an unusual phenomenon. Homes encased in ice within hours due to freezing winds and high humidity. Coastal areas in Canada experienced a similar icy spectacle. This is called a sandfall. It usually presages a sandstorm. Speaking of sandstorms, one in the desert resembled a massive avalanche. Fascinating and fearsome. A striking example of how the vast majority of an iceberg lies hidden beneath the surface. An iceberg collapse triggered a tsunami, but luckily, everyone escaped unharmed. These are the Andes. This guide noticed the landslide in advance and warned his group that they had time to get off the dangerous path.
¡Guarda, guarda, 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 guarda! ¡Fuera, fuera, fuera, fuera! ¡Fuera!
A volcanic eruption in Indonesia showed viewers that lightning can form right in the ejecta of lava and ash. And this is a volcanic eruption in Japan. It also recorded lightning inside the eruption. This phenomenon occurs due to high pressure and static electricity inside the eruption. Tourists at the Perito Moreno Glacier in Argentine Patagonia were treated to a breathtaking and rare natural phenomenon.
¡Se cayó! ¡Se cayó!
Switzerland isn't just about picturesque views. Frequent landslides remind residents of its natural risks. In Norway, a landslide swept away an entire house and its plot of land, leaving devastation behind. Rockfalls in India, often caused by construction work, send massive boulders tumbling dangerously.
Wow, what is? Cara, quattro budetti magi.
Tourists in Indonesia witnessed a volcanic eruption, sending ash soaring 5,000 meters into the sky. A rainstorm starting, captured from a unique perspective. An atmospheric vortex stretching from cumulonimbus clouds to the ground, a striking natural phenomenon. A massive landslide in China in 2019. In Los Angeles, wildfires in December 2017 painted a scene of destruction and resilience. Lucky observers in Nicaragua captured two rare natural phenomena simultaneously.
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
lo agarré, cabal.
A rarely seen meteorological phenomenon called crown flash creates brilliant displays as electrical fluctuations align ice crystals.
See the light in the cloud?
Courageous witnesses filmed Iceland's volcanic eruption. People swept into a sewer hole were fortunate to swim out the other side unharmed.
Meu Deus do céu!
Fishermen in Iceland narrowly escaped a tsunami.
Hey,
Blast wave from volcano explosion caught on camera.
There we go. Where do we get the boat?
It seems mountain tourists must not fear avalanches. Otherwise, it's hard to explain why they don't take cover. In one US city, an avalanche of tumbleweeds buried homes, creating a surreal scene. This Indian beach is covered in foam, and people are happily playing in it. However, the foam is toxic as it originates from wastewater discharges. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating footage of nature's incredible power and unbelievable moments.